question 2 says, what did J.J. Thomson discover using his cathode ray tube, and how did Millikan's oil drop experiment advance the work of Thomson? So I'm not going to write this all out, but we will go over it quickly. So in concise terms, what Thomson did was he used a cathode ray tube, which is essentially a beam of electrons, and then using electrical charges and magnetic fields and a deep understanding of physics, he was able to determine the mass-to-charge ratio on an electron. Then it combined with Millikan's work, who used the oil drop experiment, and he used ionizing radiation to essentially make the droplets of oil negatively charged, and then he would suspend them in air, and then knowing the force of gravity, he was able to determine the charge on the electron, which, because if you know the mass to charge ratio, if you know either the mass or the charge, you can determine the other one. So once the charge was determined, he was able to, or mathematically was able to determine the mass of the electron as well. So to review quickly, J.J. Thomson used the cathode ray tube to discover the mass to charge ratio on an electron. Millikan used his oil drop experiment to find the charge on the electron. If you combine the two, you could also find the mass of the electron.